I gotta quote Rocket Raccoon. Oh yeah. Hey, welcome back to the RC Driver 2 channel. I've got a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys today. It's the new Traxxas Raptor-R 4x4, and it's in their Pro Scale lineup, so this thing's got a lot of scale detail to it, but more importantly, it's got a lot of their extreme parts on this truck. Did you guys see this coming? I thought we would see something at some point, and I'm really excited to show you what they've done here. This truck is ready to run. It's capable of going 60 miles an hour, and they made some changes beyond just throwing the extreme parts on it. So let's get to the unboxing. They're gonna offer this truck in two different colors. They're gonna have a red, which is I think what we got here according to the side of the box, and they're gonna have a metallic blue truck as well. So the first thing we got is the radio system, and it's equipped with the TQI radio. That means this truck is equipped with TSM, so it's gonna have that stability control, that Traxxas stability management, and you could go and upgrade to the Link system and use your phone to adjust some of the features on this truck. Looks like it's nicely packaged like usual, and here it is, guys. There's the truck. Let's slide it out, the unveiling, and look at that. Look at the long wheelbase on this thing. That's really cool. I'm gonna pull this wrap off. Oh man, this thing is looking really good so far. I'm into it. Gotta pull a little bit of wrapping off the top, and check this truck out, guys. Isn't that an awesome looking truck? I like the Ford Raptors, and they did a really good job with it. Again, it's a licensed truck, and because it's the Pro Scale version, it's got some details to it, like the molded front grille with the Ford emblem in there. Lots of decal work just to give you that depth, and then the lights are actually chrome. All right, let's see what else comes in the box here. You're gonna have to supply your batteries and a charger. I'll put a link in the video description below to some options for you guys. But beyond the assembled truck and the radio and the accessory bag, looks like we've got the usual shock clips, the high-speed pinion gear that will allow you to do 60 miles an hour when you use a 3S battery pack. Some basic tools. You've got your box wrench and some Allen drivers, and looks like a turnbuckle wrench, some additional decals, and your usual manual and registration card. So definitely read through this. It'll get you up and running. So that's what you get inside the box of the new Raptor-R. Let me just give you a quick look under the hood. We'll pop the body off with the clips underneath. There they are, pretty easy to access through the wheel wells. And then there is the chassis. What's exciting about this truck is we've got a new longer chassis on it. It comes with the extreme heavy duty parts like the arms, axles, hub carriers, and this truck has new larger wheels. It's equipped with a brushless Millennium system, and I like the bumpers, which are fitted with LED lights. There's the underside of the chassis. Really cool looking truck. I'll have links in the video description for the truck, and I can't leave you guys with just an unboxing, so let's head outside for a speed test. Here we go, I'm at my speed test spot. I'm on the stock gearing with a 3S pack, so we should be going over 45 miles an hour. Let's see how it does. All right, we're ready. Let's see how we do here. Road looks clear. Let's go. It's tracking straight. A little bit of wander. Spin it around, and let's go. Whoa, it's pulled. Let's see what we got in. Stop. Read. 48 miles an hour. 48 miles an hour with the stock gear. That's quick. Time to throw in the 19 tooth. Let's see if we can hit 60. All right, I've got the tall gear in there, a fresh 3S pack, and hopefully I can keep this thing on all four wheels, because with that suspension travel, it wants to lean as it takes off. All right, looks like we're clear. Spin it around, and here we go. Just gotta roll it. Whoa. Look at that thing. Roll into it. Oh, man. Oh. I gotta tell you guys, my heart's beating a little bit because it was kind of leaning to one side. Well, hopefully we hit 60. Yeah, my heart is definitely pounding on that one. Woo. Okay, let's see. What did we do? Stop. Read. 60. We hit 60 with it. My heart is beating quick. The chassis was rolling a little bit as it was hitting high speed. Didn't want to roll it just yet because I still need to do the action footage, which is going to be on our main channel, RC Driver Online. I'll have a card up above so you can check out the full review of the new Raptor-R.